Imagier.net présente French lesson. So hi everyone and welcome to your French lesson. In this lesson we will try to discover together how to write the sound k. Okay, so if you want to write the sound k, you've got two options. So we'll see the first one. The first one will be to put the letter C before the letters A, O, U, R, L. Okay, so remember, you will have to put this C before these letters. So we'll see a few examples now. The first one, C plus A, so this combination will give you the sound K. Okay, so the full word will go like cabine. Okay, cabine. Second example here, well, you've got this vowel O combined with the other vowel U, and remember it gives you the sound OU, okay, but then remember that the C is still KK, cou, couleur, okay, couleur, all right. Third example, you get the sound U, okay, so if you combine it with the C, it will give you Q, okay, and the full word goes like culture, culture, all right. Now if we combine it with R, so C plus R gives you kr, okay. So now you will get the sound crabe, crabe, okay. C-R-A, cra, crabe, all right. And the last example, C, L will give you cl, okay, clair, clair. All right, so let's see all the words one more time. The first one, cabine, couleur, culture, crabe, clair. Okay, but then we've got another way to write the sound k, especially if we combine it with other letters and these vowels especially. So accent aigu, remember it's the sound E. Accent grave, it's the sound E. And then I and Y. Y, remember that you will pronounce it like I. Okay? So before these letters, you will have to put this QU. Okay? So two letters just to get the sound K. Okay? So we'll see now a few examples. The first one here, so you've got this letter, the vowel E, okay? And then QU before, so you get K, okay? And the full word goes like antique, antique. Other example, accent aigu, remember, as I said, it was the sound E, okay? So you get this sound K, okay? The full word goes like choqué, all right? And, well, last example with this E sound, okay? So in that case, you get this E letter, okay? So it goes like qui, all right? And the full word goes like antiquité, okay? Antiquité. So let's see them one more time. Antique, choqué, antiquité. Okay, I hope this lesson was useful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.